Hello, welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 2, long and short. What is long and short? That I will explain by an example. Can you see these two pencils? Which one is long? This one is long and this one is short. So this one is long and this pencil is short. So how can you say that this pencil is long and this one is short? When we measured by this pencil with each other, so we see that this pencil length is longer than this first one. So in this chapter, we will learn about one of the measurement, that is length. Standard units of length are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So millimeter in short form we can write mm, centimeter cm, meter m and kilometer km. First I will explain the units of millimeter. Millimeter is used to measure the length of very small object. Example, paper clip. If you want to measure the length of paper clip, we have to use the unit of millimeter. Now second one is centimeter. If you centimeter is used to measure a small object. Example, pencil, eraser, book. This object can be measured with a centimeter. Third one is meter. Bigger length are measured with a meter. These are the examples of meter. Cloth, carpet, cable, that you can measure with a meter. Next unit is kilometer. So kilometer, the geographical distance between any two places is measured in kilometer. Example, distance between two cities. Two cities like Ankleshwar and Bharuch, Surat and Bombay. Any two states distance, any two places distance, that can be measured in kilometer. See this scale, these numbers are showing the centimeter. See this 0 to 1, how many lines are there? 10. So this 10 line is showing the millimeter. That means 10 millimeter will make 1 centimeter. So 10 millimeter will make 1 centimeter. Then 100 centimeter will make 1 meter. And 1000 meter will make 1 kilometer. I hope you understood about the basic detail of length units. So for measuring length, height and width, you can use the units of millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Let's start chapter 2, long and short in textbook. How far apart are the dots? Can you see the dots are given with the alphabet in this green background? So our question is that guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter is it? Okay, so here the dots are given. We have to measure the distance of any two dots with the help of centimeter. Why we use the unit of centimeter here? Because the dots are given nearest to each other. Now measure it with the help of scale. Here the dots has to measure in the help of scale, because on the scale centimeter units are there. So first I will take the example of A and J, the dots of A and J. So first I will join these two dots with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, after joining the dots, you have to measure it with the scale. How can you measure it? So first you put the scale nearest to A dot. So you put the scale from the 0, okay, not from 1. So first you put from 0 and measure the distance till J. Maybe it 2 centimeter, okay, you do by yourself. Now the second question is that which two dots do you think are the farthest from each other? So can you guess which two dots are farthest? So I am taking the example of G and K. They are farthest from each other. Same way we have to join the line with the help of scale and pencil and join like this way, okay, with the help of an scale and pencil. Afterward, you have to measure it. Again, you put the scale nearest to G from 0 and measure the distance till K. So, what is the distance between the two dots? You can see on your scale. Understood, students, how to measure the distance between two dots? These two dots are farthest from each other. We can say another one, the example is D and H. They also farthest from each other. The same way you have to measure it. So next question is, which two dots are nearest to each other? इनमें से कौन से डॉट ऐसे हैं जो एक दूसरे से नियरेस्ट है? So we can say O and D, F and M, they are nearest to each other. The same way, first you join the two dots of O and D and then you have to measure the distance. Again you put the scale from the O and measure the distance till D. It may be 1 centimeter. The same way you have to measure the distance of any nearest dot. Understood, student, how to solve it? The same way you have to solve this exercise in your textbooks by own. I hope you understand all the basic units of length. So revise the chapter properly. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.